G'day guys, welcome back to Mango Invest. In this video, we're going to break down all the dividends that we've earned in the month of February of 2023. We're essentially playing catch up with all the different months as we've missed a couple. But the total equity within the portfolio is $294,000 USD. But then also the cash position is sitting at $21,000 here. You can actually click this Australian currency tab here, and it can actually tell you what we're looking for if you translate that American currency into the Australian currency as well. If you want to have a look at the total amount of money within the portfolio, you can look at on the left here. This is taken into consideration the US currency as well as the cash. And then moving all the way to the right hand side, this is when you put it all together and then transform that to Australian currency there. So we're just sitting shy of half a mil in Australian currency there. So pretty keen to get to the milestone of $500,000. That'll be a big one there. I don't really see it taking too much longer. Like it's 14 more grand, and with regular deposits and more dividends, which they're coming in pretty damn frequently, that'll only take like a couple more months to get that anyway. All right, but let's click this transactions tab over here. Let's click it to Wall Street. Let's filter out all the dividends. All right, we'll have a look at the dividend tax as well, just so you can see how much the US taxes their dividends. But let's have a look let's go to the date range. So we'll just go February 1st of Feb to the 29th of Feb and apply that one. All right, and then this is all the dividends that we've earned in the month of February. So LTC Properties paid me $91.50. Now the US taxes 15% of that, and then later on the Australian government will tax the extra. AT&T paid me $91.58 with a tax of $13.74 there. Now JEPI has paid me $217.93. Now this is actually a lesser month for JEPI. As you can see, they've paid me 30 cents per share. Generally, they pay like 42 to even sometimes 50 cents per share. So essentially almost doubling that dividend that what you see there. Hopefully we can see a rebound. This is all taking into consideration how much money they make off their stock options when they buy and sell all that type of stuff. And then they've just got taxed $32.69 there. QL AG&C, this is actually getting quite big here, $370.68. Now the good thing about these two companies, JEPI and AG&C, is that they pay monthly. So this isn't just like a quarterly dividend. Every single month, I'll be getting at least 370 and at least 217 from each company there. And then obviously $55.60 was taxed out of that 370. We have Apple that pay me a modest $30. Again, I've been reducing that position as the stock price rises, just so we can save up a little bit of cash. Hopefully, Apple will have a slight market correction there because it is a little bit overvalued at the moment. So I just want to build up some of that cash to then put it or reinvest into Apple once those prices are lower. Realty Income Corporation, $161.10. Just with those are the two taxes there. Apple $4 and Realty Income $24. And then the last one for the month on the 26th of February was SPHD. Paid me $29.55 with a tax of $4.43 there. All right, so we'll move to the Excel spreadsheet in which we place all of our dividends in, and it generates a monthly average, a yearly average income. But let's go. All right, so for the month of February of 2024, let's go back. From when we first started investing, the first February was in 2020, and we've earned $147. All right, let's fast forward to February 2021. All right, and we've made $212, so not too bad there. Fast forward to 2022, we've made $270, not too much of an increase, but just by about $60 there. All right, 2023, and a massive increase of $663 there. All right, and let's fast forward to 2024. So we've gone from 663 all the way to just under $1,000, so $992.87. So quite a fairly big increase since last year, and more importantly, a massive increase since when we first started of 2020 there. So massive dividends are starting to steamroll in. That snowball effect is beginning to take place, and the dividends just keep rolling in, which is pretty exciting there. One thing we have been working on at the start of this year, a New Year's resolution, I guess you could say, is the money invested, or the amount of deposits that we're going to make through this year. So the bottom left-hand side of the screen, you can actually see so far of the first 3 to 4 months within the year, we've invested $8,500. And the target goal for the end of the year is $30,000. So stay tuned as we deposit more money and we put that into the cash position to buy more dividend stocks. And therefore increasing our monthly income worth of dividends here. We can scroll down to the Earn Rewards tab. All right, and if you did want to sign up with Stake and get a free stock, you can use this code here, ChrisM965. I'll also put an invite link in the description down below. But if you put that code in when you sign up with Stake, you'll get a free stock valued at it could be $5, it could be $200, depending on which stock you get. And then I'll get a free stock as well. So it's basically free money. So why wouldn't you do it? But as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.